Yes guys, alright again. Back again. Um from last vlog. Um you saw me install the 2006 A-Spec rear lip onto the 2004 R6. My intention wasn't to use that, but I purchased the front A-Spec and I got the rear one instead, so I just make it fit. So again from the last time, here's the A-Spec rear lip. Alright, so now I'm going to install the front A-Spec 2006 onto this. So that's the front lip 2005 to 06, and to mount it I'm going to have to cut this area to fit this. So I'm going to have to get rid of my fog lights, can't use them back, and I'm going to remove this temporarily, and this more than likely going to have to be removed. Alright, so let's get into it now because the sun really hot. right here now. Yeah. Going to remove that part and remove here. I've decided to leave this for now because I plan to install the fog lights, but not the one I took out. Going to purchase the 06, so I'm just going to leave this area and it's not that visible. Now I'm just going to put screws where screws supposed to go, like right under this side to keep this flush on the bumper like that, and one over that part, and 2 screws right here, 1, 2 and 2 around here, and that's it, finish. Yeah, we've come to the end of the vlog, and yeah, I like the result. I'll give it a 5 or 6 out of 10 for difficulty, as long as you follow my steps, because all I removed was these, that's all, nothing else, and it's supposed to good. Let me show you the final fitment. Show you a look. Let me put just a small little gap, but can live with. I put back the license plate and the license plate holder. So I said I'm pleased with the result. It's a win-win, because I say I get I order the front one, order this one, and I got the rear one instead. I'm going to put the link in the description, and so if anything you can purchase it. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Just hit that bell so you get notified each time I post a new video, because I have more video to come. And thanks again for the support for all those who have subscribed to my channel, and see you again on another vlog.